This is now our 35th annual fall workshop, and the whole premise here is to make sure students think beyond Formula SAE, think beyond Baja SAE and air design, and look at scholarship opportunities, networking with industry professionals. We had almost a dozen companies here looking to recruit talent, and we did the math, and if they wanted to visit those 17 schools, it would have been over 750 miles of driving.
The nice thing about SAE is you get kind of an intro to actually the applications of what you're learning before you actually get into the workforce. Definitely do it. I mean, even if you aren't like a huge fan of cars or not even remotely interested in racing, it's still an opportunity to get your hands dirty, to actually build something. And for most people, that's kind of why we join engineering. We like to build, we like to innovate, and so SAE is a good platform to do that.
I always love learning. I see the value in being able to learn through SAE, grow my professional connections, and hopefully be able to go into the automotive industry or the aerospace industry, both of which I see this organization being able to help with.
It is such a great experience, not only designing, manufacturing, but just meeting new people, meeting people who are just as excited and passionate about engineering in general.
You are literally living your dream if you want to do manufacturing or designing or anything that has to do with like mathematics or physics, all combined into a real life world scenario.
The exposure that you get is immense. You get to talk to industry professionals, work as a team.
So let's say after Formula SAE is over, we're actually able to join real companies who participate in this industry. So like Motorsports or aerospace. A lot of these professional companies utilize the same concepts and practices.
We had 10 companies come out that really want to hire specifically from the SAE talent pool. And I think that that industry connection is great because it shows that the different companies care about your involvement in professional organizations like SAE and will continue to kind of create that talent pipeline.
We couldn't be happier about our partnership here with the Lions Automobilia Foundation and everyone else who came and joined us, the people from Long Beach Grand Prix Association, NHRA, NASCAR. So we got a really bright future going forward, and we hope more students get involved with us.